Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at solving problems involving linear modeling. So basically, we're going to take two variables that are linearly related and solve problems. Let's look at this example here. James borrows some money from his parents and repays the same amount each month. He owes $14.40 after 3 months, still owes $9.60 after 7 months. How many months in total will it take for him to repay the debt? So what I'm going to do here is I want to find an equation linking y and x. So here I'm going to let y be the amount that he still owes, and x the number of months he has been repaying the debt. These two variables will be linearly related because there is a constant change. Each time I increase x by 1, each time the number of months increases by 1, the same amount comes off the debt. Y reduces by the same amount each time x increases by 1. Each month, the same amount is reduced off the amount owed. That's why these two will be linearly related. So if they're linearly related, the equation is going to be y equals mx plus b. I just need to find m and find b. Now, it may not be obvious, but we're essentially given 2 points for this line, this linear relationship to pass through. So x is the number of months. When x is 3, $14.40 are owed. And we have another point when x is 7. After 7 months, $9.60 is owed. So I can figure out this equation using the normal process for finding the equation of a line. So the first step is always to find the gradient. Now, because I'm given 2 points, I'm going to use the 2-point formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what I get here is minus 120. So that means that the amount owed is reducing by $120 each month. So now what I need to do is find B. B is going to be the amount owed at the start. So to find B, when you're finding the equation of a line, you always write the equation y equals mx plus b. We're going to substitute m, which we found to be negative 120, and we substitute x and y from a point. Either point here does not matter. I'm just going to pick this one here. So I'm going to change y to 1440 and x to 3. So solving this, which is pretty easy to solve, we get 1800 equals b. So what have I found? I found that the amount owed is negative 120x plus 1800. I found that James originally borrowed $1,800 and is repaying $120 per month. So if I want y to be 0, I can simply solve for the value of x. Now, you know how to do this. It's pretty simple. We're just going to subtract 1800 from both sides, divide by 120, you get x equals 15. When y is 0, when the amount owed is 0, being fully paid, x is 15. That means it takes 15 months to fully repay the debt. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.